guys, I have a lot of comments. You say what's Dantidium? Like, if you don't know Dantidium, Barry Robin Millikan, he's also known as Dantidium. He's a really famous guy. He's the best. This video just published. I love him. I love him. Let's roast him. Dantidium. What do you think you are? You are just a annoying guy who plays video games so well. Now TDM! Now TDM, you don't know. I can just destroy you out. That is bad. Or I could just say I grant. You rock, I don't feel. I rock you. I rock you, told you talented, thank you in Illuminati. You have your friends. You only spend time with priorities, not with the first target. So many times you know that spending money. Minecraft is good, but you it looks horrible. You are not so good, that. You are the worst, I'm the best, you know what? Chocolate is also pretty good. Hey, that you're the worst guy in the world. I don't care what you like. I want you just to grab. I just want you to what you do now. I'm not just but you down to the end. If you try to roast me, I'm just copying your annoying mistake. You don't win. Down to the end. This is just for fun. Please do like and subscribe. If you subscribe down to the end, chat and video, subscribe. That is all. That's what I always say. Goodbye.